Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm showing off this citrus farm game I made in C++. So it's like an idle farmer, and you can see here we have, you start with a pomelo, and you have $42 and for pollen. I'll explain that in a second, and we can tab. So this is the shop tab. So we have pomelo, mandarin, citron, pepita, and kumquat, and then we can go crossbreed, and here's all the crossbreeds. So we can go back to farmland, and each each citrus has a unique time, and once it runs out, it will produce its sell value. And you start with 30, so every 5 seconds this has been producing $3. And I think next I'll show you, we'll purchase a citron for $100. So if we go back to farm, I'll just have to wait a minute. But so the way that this game works is I have a main loop, and the while loop has two separate threads. One thread repeats every second, and that handles updating the screen, incrementing the time for all the fruits. And then the other one handles these inputs. So that's the shop, the crossbreed. So that's the tab part, and that doesn't have a timer, so you can do it at any point. And then there's a little bit of code that it will only update the screen if this boolean is true, and the boolean will go false once we start purchasing something. So we are almost there. We need 4 more. And each time something grows, it produces a pollen, which will be used for crossbreeding. And this is it here. And no matter what it is, it will always produce 1 pollen. So the shorter the time, the more pollen it will produce. All right, so now let's go shop. So we can type P to purchase. So let's go P. So I'd like to purchase a citron, so I'm going to type 3, and we'll put it in spot 2. So now you can see we have 2, and the citron sells for less, but it has a way shorter time. This means it'll produce more pollen and more money. And then let's try to get a mandarin next, and then I can try to show a crossbreeding if we can get to it. All right, so we've almost gotten so we can go to shop. So now we have 81, so let's purchase a mandarin, put it in spot 3. I can start showing you the crossbreeds. So each crossbreed consumes both citrus parents and 100 pollen in addition to its cost. So we could look, pomelo plus a mandarin gives you a bitter orange, and it costs 1,000. However, it sells for a lot more. The one I'm probably going to go for first, and then, so it's a citron plus pepita, which gives us a key lime. So we got to get a key lime, which is shop. That's 600. So that might take a while. But first, we'll probably buy a second citron, as they're the most efficient thing we can get right now. And we'll also need a second one. All right, shop, purchase, citron, spot 4. So now we have enough pollen. Now we just have to wait for the money. All right, so now we have, if we go to the shop, we got 606, so we can go purchase. Let's purchase a pepita, put it in 5. And these green, each of these represents 10 seconds, and then each of these represents 1 second. So if we go to the crossbreeds and try to make a key lime, so, or no, not a key lime, yeah, key lime. So we have both of these now. Now we just need $1,000, and we have plenty of pollen. This will get us 200 every 30 seconds. And then from there we can get, we'll see. So we're almost there, so let's go to the crossbreeder. So we'll go crossbreed, we'll purchase a key lime for place slot 5. And there we go, now we have a key lime. Alright, that's what I wanted to show you. You could see how from there we could keep crossbreeding and get down to making a common lime or in a jello. But that's all I wanted to show you in this video, so thanks for watching, and if you click here, you can watch me create a rock, paper, scissors roguelike in Unreal Engine. See ya!